Republic Book X by Plato. Plato was a Greek philosopher and one of the greatest figures in the history of Western philosophy. He was probably born around 427 or 428 BC and died around 347 or 348 BC. Socrates, who was the greatest teacher and philosopher of his time, was the teacher of Plato. As we all know very well about Aristotle and his great ideas about science and philosophy, he was the student of great philosopher Plato. The ideas of Plato impacted the life of many philosophers and writers. As a teacher, he taught many students and his students got higher ideas of life. Socrates is the narrator of Plato's famous book, The Republic, as well as the protagonist of the book. In the beginning of the book, Socrates suggests that the certain kinds of music and poetry should not be permitted in the curriculum of study for the future rulers of the state because art didn't seem to be morally uplifting, hence perhaps bad for children. By saying this, Socrates directly attacks on the visual and dramatic arts. Further, he says that the poets and dramatists employ language to create unstable tragic and comic characters of male and female who seem to be driven by their emotions and desires. Socrates forcibly says that he wants to banish the poetry from the state. He wishes to explain his reasons by giving example of a bed. He tries to relate that how in this world there are three levels at which phenomena occur. First and original is the level of God, who creates the bed as an idea. Second is the carpenter who imitates the idea of God in making a particular bed, and the third is the poet or painter whose bed imitates the imitators. Further, he says that those types of poetry should be allowed in the state in which the poets praise God and those great who have done great work for the welfare of the society. Socrates says that the arts are morally corrupted because it affects people directly and make people enraged, crying, laughing loudly, as well as arts make people behave like female or fools. So in this way the character of male becomes bad. Further, Socrates closes his discussion of arts and their place in the ideal state by saying that there should be no place in our life, but some poems and dramas are good in which praising of God and good and popular people, but Homer's poetry and drama must be banned from the state. In The Republic Book 10, Plato believes that poetic wit isn't essential, because in the poetry a poet dedicates his reality, not imitation. The poet knows no trade and produces nothing for real, that is only necessary values. In his second objection, he says that the artist in reality manipulates the passions of his audience. Plato says that in a good and rational state, there is no room for the stirring up of evil constitution or retelling the misfortune of the past. Plato also says that to see comedy or tragic dramas, people try to imitate like what they see in that. For immortality of soul, Plato says that it doesn't depend on justice and cannot be destroyed but body is destroyed. Plato further states that unfair people injured their own body and the body of others as well. He also says that only philosophers know how to choose the right new life, because only philosophers understand the soul and what makes for a good life and a bad life. The others who have lacking of this understanding, they sometimes choose good life and sometimes bad life. The philosophers have best understanding about life, soul, God, as well as the welfare of the state. In the conclusion, we observe that according to Socrates and Plato, only philosophers have best knowledge and understanding, not poets and dramatists. We also observe that Socrates and Plato didn't like poetry and drama because they think that poetry and drama are useless, and in the curriculum of study, poetry and drama should not be taught as subject. Zoho Show. To create beautiful